Careful, be careful. Said he's careful, he's careful. Careful, be careful.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Stephanie. If you're just tuning in to my channel for the first time, you're welcome. So just make sure you subscribe before you leave. That's like very important. And if you've been here before, you guys, you know I love you. You're welcome back again, and thank you for stopping by to see this video. So I'm going to put you guys through how I achieved this look that I have on right now. So if you'd like to see how I achieved this look, please keep on watching. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Yes, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. For my transition, I'm going in with this shade from the Morphe 39A palette, and I'm going to apply this above my crease, just below my brow bone, and blend it out properly. For this step, I'm using this Evita Joseph brush. This is a blending brush. It's a mini blending brush, and I'm gonna go in with this green army green shade from the same palette. I'm using this palette all through, guys. I'm using this palette all through, and I'm just going to apply this on my brow bone area, but I'm taking it a little bit below the color that I applied before. This is also a transition color, but it's not going to be on the same level as the other one. There's going to be like a gradient effect, you know, like a flow to it. Now I'm going in with this darker army green color as well, and I'm just going to intensify the eyeshadow that I applied before. That's what I'm doing, and I'm going to blend it out properly. Like, guys, I'm going to go in with this shade and make sure that it is as visible as possible. Now I'm going in with this dark, well, I don't know if it's brown or plum, but it's a really dark shade, and I'm just going to apply that right in my crease area, just the place that I'm going to do my cut crease. And that's what I'm doing. I'm using this brush from, I think, ZARON to do this step. It's a flat blending brush. Now I'm going back in with that green, and I'm blending it all out. You know, that's what I'm doing right now, and then I'm making sure that everything, you know, looks good. Now I'm going to create my cut crease, and I'm using the Makeup Revolution concealer to create my cut crease. I'm using a flat brush, and I'm just creating that cut crease just above my natural cut crease, you know, in an area that is very visible. You know, that's what I'm doing right now. Now I'm going in with the lighter shade in this palette, and I'm just going to set this shade all over the crease, my lid area. That's what I'm doing right now, and I'm using this. I don't know why I like using blending brushes for matte eyeshadow, but I'm using a blending brush from Makeup Addiction to do this step. Now I'm going in with this liquid liner from ZARON Cosmetics, and I'm just creating a really nice, actually a really cute liner. I'm not doing anything extraordinary. Now I've applied my lashes off camera. I'm going to go on and do my face. I'm applying primer right now, and I'm going to go in and apply foundation. I'm using the Huda Beauty 4 Filter foundation in the shade Cinnamon, and I'm just applying that using this RJB Cosmetics brush that I use all the time for foundation. This is like my go-to foundation brush. And then I'm going to go in with concealer. The concealer that I'm using is the Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade C12, and I'm going to blend it all out using a damp blending brush like I always do. For contour, I'm going in with the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Espresso, and I'm just applying it in the areas I would normally contour, but I'm also contouring my nose very lightly as well, and I'm going to blend it out using this Real Techniques brush that I always use to blend out my contoured area. Once that is done, I'm going to use my blending brush, my beauty blender, to go on ahead and blend out, the joining, where the contour and the highlight joins. And then I'm going to set my face using the Makeup Revolution setting powder, and I'm using a brush to basically just set the powder on the areas that I highlighted. Now I'm going to sweep out the excess powder on my face. Now I'm going to set the perimeters of my face with a dark powder, and then I'm going to apply powder all over my face. I'm using this powder from MAC Cosmetics. It's the Studio Fix powder in the shade NC50. For bronzer, I'm using the CoverGirl bronzer in Ebony Bronze. My go-to bronzer, guys. My go-to bronzer. Let me know if you would like to see, more blushes. I'm thinking of trying the MAC Cosmetic blush in Noir. Let me know if it's something you've tried and if you like it in the comment section down below. To give myself a little bit of glow, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Kilowatts highlighter in the shade Hustla Baby and Mean Money. I usually mix these two together, and I'm just applying it in the areas I would normally apply my glow. The brushes that I'm using for this step are from Makeup Addiction. To line my under eye, I'm going in with the Maybelline COLLOSAL KAJAL pencil. I came back to this bandwagon. I came back on this bandwagon, and I'm just going to smudge that in my lower eye area. For mascara, I'm using the ZARON Cosmetics mascara. I've been loving this mascara lately because of the applicator, majorly because of the applicator. We're doing nude lips today. I'm lining my lips with a brown pencil, and then I'm going to go in and apply HONEYLOVE from MAC Cosmetics, and then I'm going to go on and apply this liner, this lip gloss from Marc Jacobs that I've been loving. It just gives my lips some sort of, oomph. And then I'm going to top that with the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb.
This is it for this tutorial. If you like to see more eyeshadow makeup like this, please let me know. If you like to see more matte looks, because I've been loving matte lately. I don't know why. I've just been loving matte eyeshadow. So if you'd like to see more matte eyeshadow from me, please let me know in the comment section down below, and trust me, I'll be sure to film it for you guys. And yeah, if you'd like to see more videos like this, please let me know. Give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget, if you haven't given this video a thumbs up, make sure you do that right now. Make sure you do that right now. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.